The productivity and efficiency of a company's workforce play an important role in its profitability and competitiveness. Increased productivity levels, and you can expect to generate higher profits without adding headcount, thereby boosting the likelihood of long-term success in competitive markets. Businesses and organizations all around the world are seeing the benefits of helping employees work smarter and better together by automating cumbersome manual tasks. So, as an organization using Dynamics 365 CRM, how can you increase your workforce's productivity? Dynamics 365 CRM users like salespeople every day have to work on creating quote PDFs and send them to clients. They also need to send reports to their higher-ups regularly. These tasks, albeit necessary, are very time-consuming. And that is where iNogic comes in. iNogic has a proven track record of helping businesses transform using the right Dynamics 365 CRM solutions. And to answer the daunting question how to increase productivity and ease the process of exporting and reporting in Dynamics 365 CRM, we bring our one-click productivity app Click2Export. Click2Export is a 5-star rated productivity app that makes exporting Dynamics 365 CRM reports, CRM views, documents, and much more easier. With the help of Click2Export, you can export report, CRM views, document templates in a single click in different file formats. Set a schedule to export reports at regular intervals. Email exported files as attachments, attach as notes, upload to SharePoint or download them. Bulk export reports or documents, and automate the exporting or reporting process. Smith, a salesperson in MCM firm, Arizona, wants to send a quote report to the client Sophie, and also wants to upload the same report in the SharePoint cloud storage. He, with the help of Click2Export, will be able to do this in just one click easily. He goes to the quotes and selects the quote that he wants to send to the client, and then clicks on the Click2Export button appearing on the top of the ribbon bar. This opens a Click2Export UI with two sections, named Report section and Action section. In the Report section, he needs to select the SSRS report template, which can be in Word or report format. After selecting the template, he selects the respective file format. For different templates, different file formats can be chosen. Instead of SSRS reports, if you are using document templates, the same can be achieved using the steps shown. After finishing with the report section, Smith will go and select what action is to be performed on the report. Since he wants to send this report to Alicia as an attachment, he will select the option attached to a new email, which will, in turn, open the email section in the Click2Export UI. Smith will select the required template from the drop-down list. If Smith wants to review the mail once again before sending it, then he will skip the auto-send option, or if he wants to send it without opening the email pop-up, he will click on the auto-send option. He also clicks on the upload to SharePoint option as per his requirement. And if he wants to review the exported file itself or use the reports in offline mode, he can also download the report. As you can see, the sender and the recipient are already set as per the configuration done in the report template. Once everything is set, Smith clicks on the OK button, after which all the actions will be performed. You can see the downloaded file, and a new email window will be opened as Smith wanted to review the mail once. Here, you can see that the report has been added as an attachment. Also, name of the report is automatically set as per the record. The body of the mail is also predefined in the template, so Smith does not have to do any manual entry work here. He just has to click on the send button on the top. As Smith had also wanted to upload the file on SharePoint, let's see if the file has been uploaded to SharePoint or not. As you can see here, the action has been performed. Now, let us move on to another use case where Click2Export can help Smith and their firm. MCM firm recently released some new products viz marketing for Dynamics, a MailChimp and Dynamics 365 CRM integration app, and subscription and recurring billing management app, which were a hit among Dynamics 365 CRM users. They have got multiple leads for the said campaign and are being handled by Smith. Veronica, sales manager handling this new campaign, wants to keep a close watch on all the leads for the campaign. Smith is asked to send her all the leads of the campaign. So, to export all the leads, Smith will select the said view and click on the Click2Export button. He gets a pop-up with only one action embed to a new email. This action will enable him to create a new mail with data of selected view embedded in tabular format in the email body. After selecting the template, he will click on OK as the recipient is already set. The selected CRM views will be successfully exported in tabular format and mailed to the respective recipient with ease. As the leads are getting converted into opportunities, Smith has been asked to send an Excel report of all the opportunities from the campaign. So Smith selects the view and uses Click2Export. Here, as he wants to send an Excel template, he will select the appropriate template and file format along with the view. After selecting the required options from the Action section, he clicks on the OK button. The report in the Excel format has been attached to the mail. To view the Excel report, he clicks on the downloaded report. In this way, reports can be exported in any format required in just one click. Using Click2Export, you can perform bulk exporting of Dynamics 365 CRM reports and Word templates. Let us see how this feature helps Smith. Now, Smith wants to send all these quotes as PDF to the respective clients. Manually exporting each quote will be too time-consuming, so he takes the help of Click2Export. He will select all the quotes that he wants to export, and then click on the Click2Export button at the top. The same Click2Export UI will appear where he has to select the template, and the selection mode which can be per record or combined. Here, as Smith wants to generate one report per record, he will select the per record option. Then he will select the file format as PDF, and then click on the Attach to a new email option. After selecting the template, he will click on the OK button, thereby completing the export process. A pop-up confirming the same will appear. Apart from this, with the help of Click2Export workflow automation, you can also export reports automatically. Suppose every time the status of the quote is changed, a report of the same needs to be generated and then later uploaded to SharePoint. Instead of working on this manually, Smith has created a workflow for the same. As you can see here, after the status of the selected quote is changed, the quote as a PDF has been uploaded on SharePoint automatically. Now, one of the tasks for Smith is to send daily reports to his manager Veronica. Manually creating reports every day and then emailing them is a tedious and mundane task. But with the help of Click2Export, he can auto-schedule these reports as per his needs. To do this, he goes to the Schedule Reports section, and creates a new schedule by entering the name of the schedule and the CRM report template. He selects the frequency of the mail, which can be set for daily, weekly or monthly basis. Each occurrence pattern has different options to choose from. For weekly, for every X day schedule can be set, and similarly month-wise. Smith can set schedules according to his requirements. Since he needs to send report every day, he will select daily. He can select the start and end date of the schedule as per his requirements. Click2Export also provides a schedule report status where Peter can easily check the status of all the daily, weekly, monthly reports, thereby keeping a tab on them. A must-have productivity app for your Dynamics 365 CRM, Click2Export currently supports 6 different languages, namely English, Spanish, German, French, Portuguese, and Dutch. Go beyond standalone business applications with connected solutions that drive business process automation and employee productivity. Download your free trial version today for a period of 15 days from our website or Microsoft App Source. Contact us at crmenajik.com for a personalized demo or if any queries or suggestions. Like and share the video and help us in increasing the productivity of Dynamics 365 CRM community. Follow us on social media to stay updated.